Hello dear students, our last lecture was related to director. What is the meaning of director? What are the different types of directors? Okay, then what are means who can be appointed as a director. Rather, we have seen more in detail regarding number of directors which is required in case of public company or number of directors required in case of private company. Okay, we have gone through with all these. Now today we will see appointment of directors, how the directors are appointed. So the rules of appointment of a directors are provided by the act under these different sections as explained below. First director under section 152. Okay, so usually appointed by the promoters of the company as stated in the articles of association. If the articles do not provide for the same, signatories of memorandum will be deemed to be a first directors, and in case of OPC a single member is deemed to be, or a single member supposed to be the first director of the company. Then appointment of a director by members. Now appointment of directors by members, again under section 152, subsequent directors in a public company are appointed by the members at the annual general meeting. Okay, generally this is 2/3 of the board and they are subject to retirement by rotation. We have seen the types, that is first director and rotational directors. So appointment of a directors by the board. Additional or co-opted directors, the appointment is made by the board. Casual vacancy. Casual vacancy on board arises due to different reasons such as death, resignation of a director. If the existing director exists or he resigns from the post, then that post or that particular individual will be filled or will be appointed by the board at the board meeting. Such an appointment is valid only up to the time of the vacating director's incomplete term. Okay, any individual who is in the company and who is in favor of the board, then he will be fill that particular post, but this appointment is valid only up to the time of the vacating directors incomplete them. Correct? Now alternate directors. Board of directors may appoint an alternate director in place of director who is going to be out of the state, where board meetings are usually held for a period of not less than 3 months. Correct? Alternate means alternate provision is made for the director and it is not less than 3 months. Correct? This appointment is valid till the return of the original director. Once the original director comes, he joins the office, then the alternate director will leave that place and the original director will start working. So to the state, and also expiry of the term of original director even if he has not resigned, means that post is continue of the alternate director till the original ones joins the duty. Now nominee of an institution. The board of director may appoint any person as a director as nominated by an institution under the provision of this act. Appointment of a director by tribunal. Again we have seen the meaning of tribunal. What is that? A special committee or a special individuals who are working as advocates, and the court, it is permission given by the court to form a tribunal, and that tribunal appoints. So tribunal may appoint directors on receiving petition or application from members as relief against mismanagement of companies affairs. Tribunal can demand for a director if the existing director is not working or mismanaging the company's affair, or he is making any fraud, or he is not capable of managing the company affairs or the company work. Then appointment of a director by central government. The central government may appoint order for directors in case where directors have vacated their offices under any of the specified disqualification. For example, conviction by the court of law. If the court of law says that such person is not good, he is a fraud person, he is not capable of handling his duties, but this happens in case of government companies. Correct? So appointment of a director by proportional representation. Under section 163, director may be appointed either by straight majority or proportional representation. Correct? Then powers of a director under section 179 of the Act. Directors have to work as a team via board of directors and not individually. He will work as per the instructions from the board of directors. Board cannot exercise the powers which are required to be exercised by the shareholders in the general meetings as given to them by the Act, Memorandum and Articles. The exercise of powers by board is subject to the provision of the Act, Memorandum and Articles. The powers of directors can be exercised in two ways. First, at the board meeting by passing a resolution, and second by delegation to different committees created by the board. Okay, some examples of powers of directors. Now, what kind of powers is given to the director? To borrow money in case if a company requires finance, company requires funds, then he can borrow money from outside. To invest funds of the company, he can give suggestions in case of investing the money, investing the funds of the company. To issue securities whether in India or abroad. Okay, to issue security means to list its shares in stock exchange. He has that power to issue securities in India or in abroad with the help of GDR. Okay, Global Depository Receipt. The shareholder has to follow certain procedures and then they can purchase the sale from shares from abroad also. So diversify the business of the company, to expand the company, to give a company a big and suppliers to increase the sale of the company, that is to diversify the business, to appoint or remove key managerial personnel, that is KM, maybe company secretary, maybe CA, so to appoint or remove any key managerial personnel. So the next is to fill casual vacancies in the board. Okay, if there is a director who is vacant, means that particular post is vacant, then he can fill. Who a existing director have a power to fill the casual vacancies in the board. To recommend dividend, he can recommend dividend, he can increase or decrease the percentage of the dividend which needs to be distributed to the shareholder. He has that power, he has that right. Then to appoint first director or first auditors report of the company, to appoint first auditors or to appoint the auditors of the company. Then to remit or give time for repayment of any debt due from a director. Okay, so these are the certain powers and rights of the director. Now duties. What the kind of duties, what kind of work he needs to perform in routine or in day-to-day working of the business. A director's relationship with the company is regarded as a fiduciary in nature. It means it is his duty with full of trust, loyalty, obedience, care and most good faith. Okay. Then director should not exploit his or her position of trust and confidence of personal gain at the expenses of a company or shareholders. Director will not involve in any situation where director's interest conflict with that of company. Director should not achieve any undue gain or advantage for self or family of associates. Director's duties can be under two heads: statutory duties, okay, and the second is general duties. Now, what are the statutory duties? To file return of allotments in case of distribution of securities, to file return of allotments, then to act in accordance of articles of the company. Okay, article is a secondary document, and what things, what rules, what policies which are mentioned in the articles, so he has to see whether the company is working according to the articles of the company, to disclose interest in a transaction. Okay, then to attend board meetings, he has to attend the board meetings, to appoint first auditor of the company. Means first auditor, the person in case of new company. Okay, the appointment of first auditor is in the hands of director. Now general duty. What is general duty? Duty of good faith. Director must act in the best interest of the company and present and future of the member. Then duty of care. Directors must display care in performance in work assigned. He is required to display care as much as a person of ordinary prudence would. Duty not to delegate. Director being an agent cannot delegate further. Director is required to perform his functions personally. Directors may delegate if permitted by act or articles or required to be delegated in urgent conditions. Directors as a trustees. required to act in the most honest ways. They are the guardians of the interest of the company and shareholders. They should account for all money are entrusted with. They have to utilize and apply funds of the company most cautiously. They are the trustees of the company. See, means the board of directors, the company is so much dependent on the director, so they should act as a trustee. They should not break the trust, belief and good faith of the company, because he is called as a backbone of the company, and being a backbone, who director, he has to look after each and every work very cautiously, very carefully. He should work with care. He should have a duty of good faith, and he acts as a trustee. Trustee means what? The company, the board of directors have a complete trust on a person who is appointed as a director. So he should not break the trust of the board of directors. Okay, he should act in such direction, or he should expand the business, to explore the business, and that exploration or that expansion is his personal growth also. If he is working for the company, then at the same time his personal growth is also included, or internal part of the company's growth. So what he should do, it is appropriate at this time to have a clarity whether directors are employees of the company or not. Finally, he is an employee. In a very frank word, he is an employee. But because he has got such position, he has got those powers, he has got those rights, so that he can be a topmost responsible person. Rather, he is topmost responsible person of the company. So he should work in a good faith. He should work as a trustee. He should work his what his job profile. He should take care of each and every job which is mentioned in his profile with care. Okay, so he acts